Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to be looking at evaluating expressions. So the only difference between GEMS, or order of operations, and evaluating expressions is now we're going to have variables that you have to plug in numbers for, which they're going to give you the numbers that you have to plug in. So this is really easy. It's just adding one step onto what we did the other day. So on number 1 on your worksheet, you have z minus y divided by 3. So z is 4 and y is 1. So we're going to take z out and put 4. So where I see z and y, we're going to replace those with numbers, and everything else stays the same. So we have 4 minus y, which is 1, divided by 3. Okay? When we do this, we have to pretend the top is in parentheses, like it's in grouping symbols. And we have to do that first. So we do 4 minus 1 is 3, and then we do 3 divided by 3, which is 1. Let's look at number 4. So 6z means 6 times z. It's really important that you put your times symbols where they belong on these problems. And I'm going to show you a few more that you need to make sure you write the symbol for on your practice. So we're going to have 6 times z is 2, according to my key over here, minus y, which is 3. Okay, so using GEMS, we would look for grouping. We don't have any. We would look for exponents. We don't have any. So next, we're going to do our multiplication from left to right, which is 6 times 2 is 12, and we keep the minus 3. And then 12 minus 3 is 9. So that's how you do that worksheet. Places you need to put times in. So here, between the z and the parentheses on number 6, make sure you put a times dot there. On number 7, between the two parentheses, a times dot goes there too. On number 10, make sure you add on a 1 between the negative and the parentheses and a times dot. And the last 6 problems are kind of bonus problems. If you want a challenge to see if you're really good at doing evaluating expressions, I welcome you to try the challenge problems, but they are not required. So all you're required to do is 1 through 14. Okay, so remember, anytime you have a number squished up against a letter, it means times, in case I missed one. I think I forgot to tell you to put between 3 and J. There's a times there as well. So make sure you work on that. And if you have any questions, ask me when I get back. And have a great day.